So hey geeks, it's Karthik and you are watching Codelearn. So guys, in the previously video we have discussed about method overloading in Python, and in this video we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance or multi-level inheritance in Python. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to Codelearn Docs channel. So let's continue. So guys, as usual, let's open up Visual Studio Code and create a new file, and that file name gonna be multiple inheritance.py. Guys, let me rename this because the extension is py, not bracket py. And guys, let me close this explorer and zoom it for you. So guys, this I just mean a class can be derived from more than one base class in Python. And guys, in multiple inheritance, the features of all the base classes are inherited to the derived class. And guys, the syntax is, let me write the syntax and comment out this. And guys, the syntax is, you have to type class and you have to type base 1 and you have to type pass. Then again you have to create a class, and that class name gonna be base 2 and you have to type pass, and again create a class, and that class name gonna be multi derived, something like this. And then guys, you have to type base 1 comma base 2, and then guys you have to type pass. So guys, this is the syntax for multiple inheritance. And guys, if you run this, and you can see guys, nothing happened because guys we have I just mean guys, we added pass, and pass to these three classes. So guys, now we can also inherit from a derived class, and guys, this is called multi-level inheritance. And guys, it can be any depth in Python. And guys, in multi-level inheritance, features of the base class and the derived class are inherited to a new derived class. And guys, an example with the corresponding visualization is given below. So guys, let's write some codes. So guys, you have to type base, not 1, and here guys you have to type derived, something like this, and pass a parameter which is base, and again you have to type derived, something like this, and you have to pass a parameter which is derived, something like this, derived, and let me remove this, derived 1. And guys, this is the example. So guys, now let's write another example. So here you have to type class x, and let me zoom it guys for you. You have to type x, and then you have to type pass. Then guys, you have to type class y and type pass, and then guys you have to copy this and paste it here, and instead of y you have to type z, something like this. And then guys, you have to again paste this, and instead of y you have to type a, and you have to add two parameters which is x and y. And guys, again you have to paste this, and instead of y you have to type b, and here you have to type y and z. And guys, again you have to copy this and paste this, and instead of b you have to type m, and instead of y you have to type b, and instead of z you have to type a, and you have to type z here. And then guys, you have to type print. Then guys, you have to simply type m.mro and run this file. So you can see this class underscore main and class underscore main dot b is printed. So guys, I hope you understand this multiple inheritance concept in Python. So guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.